Pressure washers are excellent tools for cleaning various surfaces, from outdoor furniture to a home's exterior to concrete driveways. However, they can also be dangerous if not used properly. The high-pressure water stream generated by a pressure washer can cause serious injuries, such as lacerations, puncture wounds, and even amputations. Injuries can occur due to using a pressure washer, and it is important to be aware of the potential risks so that you can take steps to avoid them. 1. Eye injuries. One of the most common injuries associated with pressure washing is eye injuries. The high pressure of the water can cause debris, dirt, and other particles to fly up and hit you in the eye. This can cause serious injuries, such as corneal abrasions or even blindness. To avoid this, wearing proper eye protection when using a pressure washer is essential. 2. Chemical burns. Many pressure washers come with the option to use cleaning chemicals to aid in the cleaning process. These chemicals can be extremely harsh and cause chemical burns if they come into contact with your skin. It is essential always to wear gloves and long-sleeved clothing to protect your skin when using these chemicals. 3. Electrical shock. Electric pressure washers. If you use an electric pressure washer, there is a risk of electrical shock if the machine is not used correctly. Water and electricity do not mix, and it is crucial to ensure that the machine is plugged into a ground fault circuit interrupter (GFCI) outlet. If the machine is not plugged into a GFCI outlet, the electrical current could flow through the water and cause an electrical shock. 4. Slip and fall injuries. Pressure washing can make surfaces extremely slippery, increasing the risk of slip and fall injuries. This is especially true if you are pressure washing a surface that is already wet, such as a driveway or sidewalk. To avoid slip and fall injuries, wearing slip-resistant shoes and being aware of your surroundings is vital. 5. Hearing damage. Pressure washers are incredibly loud, and exposure to high noise levels can cause permanent hearing damage. Wearing earplugs or earmuffs when using a pressure washer is critical to protect your hearing. 6. Back injuries. Pressure washers can be heavy, and prolonged use can cause back injuries. This is especially true if you use a gas-powered pressure washer, as these machines can be incredibly heavy. It is essential to use proper lifting techniques and to take frequent breaks to avoid back injuries. 7. Projectile injuries. The high pressure of the water can cause objects to become projectiles, which can cause serious injury if they hit you. To avoid projectile injuries, it is essential to clear the area of any loose objects before you begin pressure washing. 8. Carbon monoxide. Gas-powered pressure washers. Poisoning. If you are using a gas-powered pressure washer, there is a risk of carbon monoxide poisoning if the machine is used in an enclosed space. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that can cause serious health problems, including death. To avoid carbon monoxide poisoning, it is important only to use gas-powered pressure washers in well-ventilated areas. 9. Burns. The high pressure of the water can cause burns if it comes into contact with your skin. This is especially true if you use hot water, which can cause more severe burns than cold water. Always wear protective clothing, such as long-sleeved shirts and pants, when using a pressure washer to avoid burns. 10. Finger and hand injuries. The high pressure of the water can cause injuries to your fingers and hands if they come into contact with the spray. This can cause serious injury, including cuts and lacerations.